what we're doing has importance for the future by the example it sets in terms of physical observations in the field that are meaningful, and the creativity and craft of applying technology to expand our understanding of how this volcano works, both in terms of its subterranean behavior, patterns of activity, signals that it provides that otherwise might be missed without the assistance of that technology, and so on. In the future, there'll be new technologies. There'll still be a need for basic physical observation, however, to correlate with what our clever use of instruments and monitoring equipment tells us.